two in one pull. And you better make sure that you label the damn things. You know what I'm saying? And know what they got going on up there. Oh, trust me, one goes this way and one's right here and stops here and goes over there and does all kind of cool shit. Well, there you go. Starting in. Need some wire for my lights. Got this one in. Finished that one. Oh shit. Wait a minute. This is an adventure right here. Because, well, I'm gonna move this one up somewhere up here. Counter, it doesn't need to be underneath the counter. That's all there is to it. It needs to be up. Damn near every one of your toasters and toaster ovens and all that shit's got short ass cords. It needs to be up above it. I need to measure it, but stove. There's the vent hood or the gas range pipe there, and I have a trench here, but it's got to be shared with the air conditioning. I have a place right here. It's possible I can make this work, but there'd have to be like stipulations during the whole goddamn process. Well, during French, but during the whole process of renter owner understanding how it operates, it would be like, because it's 100 amps, okay, and if you put in air conditioning with a heat pump, and you're not going to use gas on the house, but you've got a gas range in here. Hold on, I'll show it to you. Don't worry about everything on the floor. Shit, I'll wait till it gets cooler. But this is a gas range. Cooktop. There's no range in here, no bottom, you know. And I know that you want it to be, this is a dishwasher. And hell, I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put all that. So, I got this one. And this it's over there. That has to either be the stove, refrigerator, dishwasher, something. But I can pull off this. We can put a GFI in here. And I can pull off this one, which is the box over there. Disposal. Got a disposal unit. What are we gonna do? Okay, and then well, refrigerator, stove, refrigerator. This would be very difficult for the stove. Over here would be better. Look, look, right there. Look, what's that? Okay. So let's say it's stove. And then we do the refrigerator over here. None of these plug holes right here line up. And you only got 3 in the kitchen, really, for 110 volt. Other than that, it's going to be the stove. And I can come off this. But I have to go through all this bullshit right here. Come over here to put one in it. Unless I do it up there. And that I can do. Okay, so about the same distance I got over there, I'm put another plug right around in here somewhere above water level and countertop so that all the shit plugs in. We put GFI over there and run line load. This be load, you know. Line in over there. And then that one will work, which I got it. So, and then quite possibly I could run 220 for the stove right here. But it just starts cutting me out of breakers. You're supposed to have for the bedrooms, you know, the lights are supposed to be on a breaker and the plugs on a breaker, and I got it all wired like that. This sucker's hot. Do not do this unless you're qualified not to touch. Lick your fingers and touch that one up there. Look, this is the only one I got on. The rest of them I wasn't worried about. So what I have this breaker and this breaker and this breaker. This right here could quite possibly run the stove, but they cannot run the dryer. They cannot run the heat pump or whatever you put. You gotta have gas on this house somehow or another, because it's gotta share it. So if your heating system has gas, a gas furnace, blower, and everything, and then drop a line for gas on a stove. And have a gas stove. You got a gas cooktop already, go with a gas stove, and then I can put this. This is not. It'll all work perfect. Other than that, we have to put up signs everywhere. Do not run simultaneous, or inform them. I can wire it that way, and then later on upgrade the outside panel out there with the meter. Because you have to upgrade the meter box, you have to upgrade everything. Yes, that's my after work enjoyment. Let's take care of it. Let's do some more fishing. I gotta get up there, I gotta cut this and tie it into the box. And then go over to the other room and try to pull from the far side over there. Use as much of this line as I can, because this plug right here, I got it. It's for that room. And then I got this room on this side. And the other plug is over there, which these rooms, wow. You'll see. I'm wiring it correctly. I hope y'all enjoy. Peace. And shot bot and all that other good shit.